Okay, this is all you're gonna need to make broccoli slaw. A little bit of broccoli that you've already eaten all the florets off of, carrot, some mayonnaise, a little bit of acidity. You can use lime juice, white wine vinegar, apple cider vinegar, anything with acidity, salt and pepper, a little bit of smoked paprika to finish it, and some garlic powder. Change this up a bit, but I'm gonna show you how to make it. Use a box grater and grate your broccoli and your carrot. Now that it's grated, put it in a bowl. To that bowl, add a heaping tablespoon of mayonnaise. Add about a teaspoon garlic powder. Add about another teaspoon to taste of salt and black pepper. Couple dashes of your vinegar or citrus. And then lastly, just a little bit of smoked paprika, totally optional. Gives it a little smoky flavor. And then in all its glory, broccoli slaw. Let's give it a try. A broccoli slaw.